Here is a Nissan Versa. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, is the secondary hood release lever. Pull it up, and while it's pulled up, lift up the hood with your second hand. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab it, put it right in that slot. Make sure it's in there. Now let go of the hood, and now it is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb right there. The way to access it is you go there behind it. That is the bulb holder right over there. You can easily get your hand in there, and you have to push it upwards to twist it left to get it loose. Get your hand down there and then push it upwards to twist it left and loose, and out it comes. There's enough wire length that you can get the entire bulb holder out like this. Now just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 7443A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and push it into the bulb holder to secure it, and that is where the bulb holder goes back in the light. Now when you're putting it back into the light, you see the little black part that's sticking out beside the red. It should not be sticking out. When you can only see the red part, the bulb is properly in the light, and then twist your right, like push it downwards to lock, and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, same everything, no differences whatsoever. I'm just gonna pull this bulb holder out. I cannot get the camera in there along with my hand, but as you can see, same process, same bulb, no differences. Let's just put this back into the light, and you have to look in from the little gap to make sure it's sitting in properly. Twist it right, and now let's just go ahead and try out the bulbs and make sure it's actually working. And let's see, the driver's side is working fine, and so is the passenger side, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.